Peace and love to everybody. Funny shirt. Today we're going to spend Easter with the kids and the grandkids. We're going to go dirt biking. We're going to fly some kites, Easter egg hunt, little archery, launch a drone. Fun day. Can you hear the crackle of the fire? Yeah. We're just doing short circles in the backyard because I got a new drone and we're just testing out the follow me features of it. What's that? Yeah, when he comes back I'll do it. Yeah, it said the aircraft is too low, but it still has them. Oh wow, it got in front of them.
Yeah. Interesting.
So I pushed a button, circled my little grandson there on the bike, and I haven't touched the drone at all. It's doing all of this completely by itself.
Let's see if it still follows him through the people.
It is so far. There's them and he's got
I don't know why he's going through the button. Please don't go in the trees, thank you.
Close to the trees though, but you're doing good. Back in front of us, that's cool. I like guys going behind him and in front of him, that's kind of cool.
Is it going to go in the trees? No?
Here.
I'm watching the drone though. What it's doing. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice. Take off my cowboy hat. Alright, let's try. Hey, decent, eh? Time to spend some time with my little grandkids in the front yard doing an Easter egg hunt, painting birdhouses, flying kites. Yes. No. It looks like the wings are actually flapping. Oh shit. I got it in the wrong mode. Easter Day with the kids and grandkids. Join me for all my adventures on my YouTube channel, RSamson. See you later, everybody.